Welcome back, everyone. As most of you know, Instagram, very popular application, but you may be having an issue with your specific profile page, or for some reason you can't change your Instagram profile picture. Now, this happens for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing you have to understand is that if you're trying to change your picture to something that is inappropriate, is not going to work. So you're going to have to make sure this is an appropriate picture in order for you to actually go ahead and change to it. You also don't want to get your account banned, so you want to make sure your profile picture is suitable and everything like that. So once you have those things out of the way, and your account is currently not banned in any way, form, or whatever. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the little edit button, which is right here, edit profile. And then right up top, you will see create profile photo. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on create profile photo right there. And what's going to happen is it's going to say remove current photo, import from Facebook, which I don't even know why that's an option, to be honest. Take photo or choose from library. So at this point, you can just choose a photo from your library. So here's this one, for example, and you can just choose whatever photo you want and then pretty much import it and you can change it there. Now, for some reason that's not changing and you keep doing it and you keep trying it, but the photo isn't changing, you may actually have to go ahead and just refresh the page. So you want to grab the Instagram page like this, click the refresh, and you may want to give it a couple of seconds, even up to a couple of minutes. Sometimes if Instagram is having a bunch of people trying to do something, you may end up having to just wait it out a little bit and then it'll eventually switch over. So you can keep trying to refresh the page. You can also hop out of Instagram and go back into it and try seeing if it fixes it. Sometimes, I would say most of the time, it's probably fixed by now. If for some reason that's still not working, you may want to double check Instagram is actually working and it's not actually down. So you may want to check the comment section of this video and sort by the latest comments. And if a lot of people are commenting at the same time that Instagram is down, then Instagram is probably down and you can't really do anything because it's currently down. But if it looks like it's still working and it's not currently down and everything else is working except for that, then you may want to go inside of your app store and update your application. So you want to go inside your app store or Google Play Store. You want to go and type search and type in Instagram, and you want to go ahead and click on update. So you want to search up for Instagram, click on it, click update, and see if that actually fixes the problem as well. Most of the time, I'm going to be honest, you should be good to go as long as you're connected to an internet connection and everything like that. You should be good. There can be still some issues here and there, but at this point, you should be able to be good for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.